my mom's birthday. These are the grandkids. My mom's 78th birthday. July 14. And here are my siblings, people.
Not yet.
Y'all gonna give her flowers. Everyone's gonna give her flowers.
Not yet. Hold your rose. Everybody come here. Come here, you guys. Come here.
Hold your rose.
Stay right there.
Not yet.
You're gonna be first.
Oh, so much gift, yeah?
Ready? Hold your rose. Hold your flower, okay? Hold your flower.
Yeah, I gotta show me.
Excuse me, please, light up the cake. Light, please, light. Para sa please.
Yes, Omni, Pasko family.
We're gonna start in line. Okay.
Matata.
Hi, Mother.
Okay, wait. Everybody, wait. Nander, you gotta hold your own flower.
You gotta all hold your own flower.
Everybody.
Say my name and say. Ouch! I got. Oh, I'm sorry.
Let me get the mic and say you.
Okay, we're gonna sing Ilocano song for happy birthday. So, I don't know if you guys can understand.
How come the non-smoker is doing this? Hard.
Oh, trust. Pada.
Okay, somebody, padak. Wait, somebody's phone. Can you guys?
My mom is 78 years old.
For real?
Mama.
Yeah, Pasco family.
Wow,
How you
beautiful,
guys sing,
Mama.
okay? This is a chance Pasco family. Let's hear it on the song. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Happy birthday.